In this video, we will explore various strategies for building a positive money mindset and developing a healthy relationship with money. Having a positive money mindset is crucial for achieving financial success and overall well-being. Let's begin our journey towards transforming our mindset about money. To build a positive money mindset, it's important to understand the true nature of money. Money is a tool that allows us to fulfill our needs, desires, and goals. It is not something to be feared or worshipped, but rather a means for creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. Many of us hold limiting beliefs about money that hinder our financial growth. It's crucial to identify and challenge these beliefs to develop a healthier relationship with money. By recognizing and reframing our negative thoughts, we can overcome them and create a positive money mindset. Gratitude plays a significant role in cultivating a positive money mindset. By appreciating what we have and shifting our focus from scarcity to abundance, we attract more opportunities for financial success. Practicing gratitude allows us to acknowledge the value of money and develop a positive outlook towards it. Having clear financial goals provides us with a sense of direction and purpose. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, we can work towards building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Setting financial goals empowers us to make intentional decisions and take actions that align with our long-term aspirations. One of the keys to developing a healthy relationship with money is practicing conscious spending. This means being mindful of our financial choices and aligning them with our values and priorities. By distinguishing between needs and wants, we can make informed decisions that support our long-term financial well-being. Investing in self-education is vital for personal and financial growth. By continuously learning and acquiring new skills, we expand our earning potential and open doors to new opportunities. Building a positive money mindset involves investing our time and resources in our own personal development. Building a positive money mindset takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. By implementing these strategies and adopting a mindset of abundance, we can develop a healthy relationship with money and create a life of financial prosperity and fulfillment. The idea of creating a life of financial prosperity and fulfillment first came about from the New Thought movement, which revolved around the absurd idea that you can take control of your own future simply by tapping into your own mind and discovering your limitless potential. It's not just positive thinking and all of the woo-woo stuff you may have heard, but thinking and then doing. This movement inspired some of the biggest tycoons like Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, Elsie Lincoln Benedict, Albert Hubbard, and tons more. If you want to get a clear direction on your definite purpose, then join the Secrets of Success Masterclass. Check out the link below.